Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the metallic and it looks very nice, very sleek and shiny as well. You do have halogen quad headlamps right up here and they are incredibly bright. You get the Dodge logo here with some chrome accenting as well. Makes it stand out and look very nice. You do have 17-inch rims here with Komu brand tires and there's still a lot of tread left on them as well. They'll be good for a while. You have heated exterior mirrors here in the matte black. They look really nice. Add a nice little difference to it, makes it stand out, give it a very nice look. On the back here you do have the Grand Caravan logo, the Dodge logo, and the SXT logo all hanging out there. And then you do have the park assist little sensors down there, and there is, as long as it's unlocked, you'll just pull this guy, open it up, and you do got a lot of room back here as well. It is indented, so you got some space down there and you got some storage here. Now what you can do, it does have sorry, the stow and go. So you pull this one for 1, this one for 2, this guy for 3, just like that. And then 4 is this one. You pull this and it folds right down like that. And then it gives you even more room. You can do it with the other side as well with that one. And it'll give you lots and lots of room, and you can store tons of things. Okay, we got our keys here. So we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have your panic button right up there. But let's unlock and take a look. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out there, as well as you got that bit of a chrome accenting here, a handle here, some storage, and some more right down here with a water bottle holder or something. And then you also have your light control, so you have your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control. And then you have your controls over your high beams and your turning signals and your windshield wipers all right there. Okay, so key in the ignition, let's start her up. There we go. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. And then you can also change that guy in the middle, so it only has 75 kilometers, which is pretty much nothing. You can change that to your trip A and your trip B, as well as your DTE, your distance till empty. How many kilometers you're going, your average liters per 100 kilometers, and then the temperature outside. That is all controlled from right here, as well you have your voice recognition and your call out button right there for your phone. And then you have a horn in the middle. And you have your cruise control options there. This guy is your gear shift right here. And then in the center you do have your radio. So you have your seek options, you have your voice recognition, your call out, your info, your rewind, fast forward with your CD player right there. Volume up and down. You can press it in to push it on and off. You got your AM and your FM, as well as your Sirius XM and your disc or your aux cord. Then you have your presets down here, how to set them, your setup, your music type, your list. And then that guy is to change the channel. And then you have right here your aux cord plug-in. And then down here you do have where it's going to blow out of. You have dual climate for you and your passenger if you do like different heats or cold. Then you have how powerful it is, and then you have the circulation there and where it's going to blow out of, plus your front and rear defrost. Then your econ mode, your hazard lights, and then this guy is for your traction control. You got a bit of storage down here, as well as this is a cup holder. You got some more cup holders right here, as well as some additional storage and some plugins over there. You do have a locking glove box down here with your owner's manual inside, and then you do also have another one right up there. You got 2 glove boxes, lots of room, and then up here you do have a sunglass holder. Can't forget that guy. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Tons of room back here, lots and lots. Plus it does seat 7, and it is very soft as well. And then it does also have the stow and go, so I'll show you how that works. So you got this little guy here, you pull this up, you fold this just like this. Oh, kind of difficult with one hand. Up just like that. Then you take this guy, pull it up. This guy folds up just like this. And down. And then this folds just over top. And now it's done. Now you can do that with the other side and the back, and you have a full just 2-seat, but you got lots of room. You can do any combination you'd like with it, and you got lots of room. Plus there is some cup holders back here as well. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.